How do you shift left API endpoint testing? Have you ever wondered how to make your application development smoother and more efficient? One effective way is by shifting left API endpoint testing. This means starting your testing earlier in the software development process. Instead of waiting until the back-end code is complete, you can catch issues sooner, which helps reduce costs and improves the quality of your application. Let's break down how to do this effectively. First, begin testing during the design and development phases. Involve both testers and developers early on, even while defining your API specifications. This way, you can create test cases and automation scripts before or alongside coding. It sets a solid foundation for your API. Next, consider using test automation that integrates with your development process. Automate your API tests to run frequently and automatically whenever there are code changes. This can be done through continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. Each build should trigger API endpoint tests, giving you immediate feedback on any issues. Another method is to apply test-driven development for your APIs. This means writing tests for your API endpoints before you implement their logic. This practice ensures that your API meets the defined requirements and encourages developers to create reliable endpoints. Additionally, perform unit and integration testing early in the development cycle. Unit tests focus on individual API functions, while integration tests check how these functions interact with other components or services. Catching defects in logic and data handling early can save you a lot of headaches later. Using mocking and virtualization tools is also helpful. These tools allow you to simulate real interactions with your API endpoints or dependent services, even if some backend components are not ready yet. This way, you can test API behavior without waiting for everything to be complete. Continuously validating API responses is key to ensuring everything works as expected. Check for correctness in status codes, response formats, data accuracy, and error handling. Automated tests can help verify these aspects consistently throughout the development cycles. Finally, maintain open communication between developers, testers, and other stakeholders. This collaboration ensures everyone has a shared understanding of API requirements and testing coverage. By shifting API endpoint testing left, you reduce the risk of late-stage defects, speed up development cycles, and improve the reliability of your backend. This approach makes backend development more accessible and straightforward, embedding quality checks early in the process and automating them to minimize manual effort and errors.